My role is manufacturing engineering, so I help create some of the processes that the operators use on the line to actually build the vehicles. I've been exposed to a lot of different areas within the business. I've was part of the launch of the electric van, got to work a lot with the different engineers within the company.
We are a people-driven organisation, so that means we need to ensure we have the right people with the right skills in the right roles at the right time. And our job is to ensure that you can be the best you can be. Your individual impact at LEVC will be recognised. You're not just a cog in a wheel. You'll be able to really make a difference and see the difference that you've made.
I've got quite a few highlights of working here. I got Apprentice of the Year. I got to meet Prince Charles. That was really fun.
The one word that sums up the working environment here is variety. Engineers enjoy more personal responsibility, autonomy and satisfaction.
LEVC are very supportive, not in just a work environment, but also in a personal environment. You'll make many friends here at LEVC. I'd say friends, but they're more like family.
The culture here at LEVC, really warm, really friendly. Innovation is the heart of what we do.
I finished my apprenticeship, but I still wanted to learn, so I've joined the manufacturing engineering team and I'm on a course. If you're thinking of applying, I'd say go for it. I really love working here.